Hi everyone, welcome back to the Testing Buddy channel. As I mentioned in my previous video that there are few things which can get a or functional tester job in the testing field. As the market is currently booming, what we need a functional tester to do in his projects, where he can contribute more, where he can help the business grow more and help the client satisfaction, all of them we can talk about now. So as you can see, a functional tester supports the release testing. That is the foremost thing which he is supposed to do. That is his BAU, at which he needs to be great at. There should be no prod leakage on the defects, and the product should be stable. Other thing what the functional tester can support with this, the post release support, which basically means that any issues coming from the client, should be replicated on the testing environment. If it is replicable on the testing environment, it probably means that it is a miss from the testing side. Otherwise there could be other issues like configurations, the build not deployed correctly, or maybe the case is not even covered in a regression suite. There would be another case where the client is performing the steps incorrectly, where the client needs to be guided to use the product in the correct way. Now other thing which a functional tester can contribute is on the automation efficiency. So by automation efficiency here we mean that if my automation regression suite is running in 1 hour and is covering 80% of my test coverage, how can we increase the test coverage to 90% and maybe have a run of 1 hour or less, or do an innovation on any other type where we can increase the test coverage and make it more relevant to our production workflows. Another area where a functional tester can support is to give the business support. By business support we means a thorough documentation or a user guide to be provided to the client of how the product could be used in the best possible way to run the business. Now these are not necessarily the functions of a functional tester, but definitely it gives a better visibility to the stakeholders that the functional tester is aware and has a thorough grip on the product, and he is the SME of that product from the technology side, even more than the developers who have coded that project or the application. Next one is the production operation support. This simply means that for any issue or for any query from the client side, we should have all of the steps thoroughly documented in a place where the production team could just have a look and just respond as quickly as possible to the clients. This would not only ensure a better client satisfaction, but it would also give a confidence to our production support teams that a functional tester has a SME level of understanding of the product. In the next video we can talk about how a functional tester can improve overall efficiency of the quality and without hampering on the execution time. Feel free to reach out to me for any questions. Thank you.